Oh my God!
Brett from LA.
Hey, it's Brett, and I came up with a fun hashtag that I want to get trending. The hashtag is Tom Cruising, and it's you hanging off the side of something that moves. Now I need your help to get it trending, so please take a picture of yourself Tom Cruising, and then post it on Instagram or Twitter with hashtag Tom Cruising. And if you want to, you can include Mission Impossible and even like Tom Cruise. Now the thing that you're holding on to doesn't have to be in motion while you're taking the photo. Like if it's a car, stop the car first. Then hang on, take a picture. I don't want you to die. If you want to see some Tom Cruising that I already did, you can go over to my Twitter and my Instagram because I posted some pictures there. But thanks in advance for helping me get this trending. I've never gotten something trending before, and if you want to tell me the account that you have that you're posting your pictures on, I want to go look at them because I personally think it's hilarious and I want to see what you guys come up with.